Priyakar and you are watching News Movement English channel. Asansol, including Barabani, will go to lockdown. Of Barabani block, the first lockdown of September in Barabani block has left many places in Barabani block empty. Nothing is going on. Expected emergency. Police are patrolling various places in Barabani since morning. Those who have the responsibility to make the lockdown a successful are seen to be violating the lockdown. An ununiformed policeman was seen shopping in the vegetable market of Asansol. He was accompanied by a police constable and civic volunteer policeman. The first lockdown of the month of September, the readiness of the police was seen in Asansol since morning. While in the Asansol vegetable market, this policeman, while violating the lockdown, was seen buying cucumber while buying vegetable from the vegetable market and taking money out of his pocket and giving it to the vegetable owner. Seeing this, the role of the police is being questioned.
আজকে আথোড়া গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েতে আমাদের শ্মশান যে রয়েছে, শ্মশান ঘাট যে রয়েছে, এখানে একটা তোরণ করা হয়েছে গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েতের পক্ষ থেকে করা হয়েছে। আর এই শ্মশানের যে রাস্তাটা আছে, এই রাস্তাটা হয়েছে, এই দুটোর উদ্বোধন হলো আজকে।
কত টাকা দায়িত্ব করা হয়েছে?
ওটা 3 লক্ষ টাকা, 3 লক্ষ, আর এটা
প্রায় 7-8 লাখ,
প্রায় 11-12 লক্ষ টাকা দিয়ে তোরণ আর রাস্তা।
কত দূর থেকে রাস্তা?
হ্যাঁ,
কত দূর পর্যন্ত?
এই রাস্তাটা যতটা গেছে গেট থেকে হয়েছে, পঞ্চায়েতের ফান্ড থেকে হয়েছে, মানে এনআরজিএস স্কিম আছে, বিভিন্ন রকম স্কিম আছে, সেই স্কিম থেকে টাকা দেওয়া হয়েছে।
Honorable MLA Vidhan Upadhyay Maharashtra and inaugurated the ceremony road and creation gate at the Ithora village under Salanpur block, and district council member MD Arman Bhola Singh was present. Special school first step Jharkhand Congress State Secretary Sri Ranvijay Singh ji arrived in Jagjeevan Nagar. He visited the school and got information about the activity going on in the school and inaugurated the library of the school. During the school visit, he promises all possible help for the development of special children of the school and said that whenever this school needs us, I will stand by it. This school is a boon for the paralyzed children of Dhanbad. I am proud that I come to this school. In view of the corona pandemic, special attention has been paid to hygiene in the school. I am very thankful to the principal of school, Anita Agarwal ji, that she is running such a school for the disabled of the society and is making successful effort to make them self-relevant. Along with this, all the teachers of the school also deserve thanks. Sri Ranvijay Singh ji was welcomed by Mrs. Anita Agarwal ji by gifting tulsi plant. West Bengal come Purulia district, which was derived of the central government poor welfare scheme, got a big relief from the High Court. On the one hand, the state government alleged that the requisition has been sent to get the benefit of the scheme, while the central government has been refusing to receive the requisition. Following the controversy on July 9, Bagbundi MLA Purulia District Congress President Nepal Mahto had filed a public interest allegation in the Kolkata High Court. It was learned that the state government has not sent any requisition. In view of this, the High Court issued an order that in view of the more than 39,000 migrant workers of Purulia, it was necessary to bring them in this poor welfare scheme. In this regard, the High Court, while information the MLA Nepal Mahto, who filled the PIL, has said that in order to bring the poor under the welfare scheme, the administration and the district officer have been introduced to inform the central government on this issue. Express your opinion by submitting an application. Worker outside the Bharat Gas botanical plant at Raj Bandh in Durgapur closed the gate of the plant early in the morning in line with the ongoing agitation across the country on Monday against the privatization of the National Oil Institution. Taxes began to protest fearlessly work and went on a strike. And the non-governmentalization of the institution and the pressure expert by the company on the worker to take the forced leave and many other demands, and the worker went on the strike. Last for 2 days, Personal said. Government does not pay attention to this, then he will take the government even bigger. Is not obeyed, then we will sleep at the gate of the factory, but we will not allow any worker to happen. He said that this company has been making profit the last 40 to 42 years. Ratna become Maharatna, and the central government is making it non-governmental.
প্ল্যান্ট আছে, প্ল্যান্ট, অফিস, রিফাইনারি, সমস্ত জায়গায় কেন্দ্রীয় সরকারের নীতির বিরুদ্ধে বলতে কেন্দ্রীয় সরকার আমাদের যে লাভজনক সংস্থা তাকে বেসরকারীকরণ করতে চাইছে। তার প্রতিবাদে আমরা 48 ঘন্টা, আজকে 7ই সেপ্টেম্বর এবং 8ই সেপ্টেম্বর আমরা দুদিনের ধর্মঘট আমরা ডেকেছি। এর আগেও আমরা প্রতীকী ধর্মঘট হিসাবে একদিন ডেকেছিলাম, তারপরে আবার 2 দিন ডেকেছিলাম। কেন্দ্রীয় সরকার কোনো কর্ণপাত করেনি। আজকে গোটা ভারতবর্ষ জুড়ে আমরা ভারত পেট্রোলিয়ামের শ্রমিক, কর্মচারী, অস্থায়ী শ্রমিক সবাই আমরা ধর্মঘটে সামিল হয়েছি।
আগামী দিনে আপনাদের বিক্ষোভ কী হবে?
আগামী দিনে আমাদের হচ্ছে কেন্দ্রীয় সরকার যদি না কথা শোনে তাহলে লাগাতার আমরা ধর্মঘটের পথে আমরা যাব।
বৃহত্তর আন্দোলনের নামবেন?
আমরা বৃহত্তর আন্দোলনের নাম পাবো।
আপনার নামটা?
আমার নাম স্নেহাশিস মণ্ডল।
Andal, a 2-day football tournament was organized on the behalf of the Michael Club at Jambad, Banyandihi Mod Khel Maidan in Kajoda area. 16 football team from the Vicinity took part in the tournament, and the final match was played between QT Jamuria and NP Axel Bansra. The match ended in the draw with both the team performing well. The referee decided to defeat with a tie-breaker position, and QT Jamuria defeated NP Axel Bansra by a margin of 43 to capture the trophy. The winning team was rewarded by the presenting a check of rupees 12,000 in the hand of chief guest Bahula Gram Panchayat Pradhan Veer Bahadur Singh, while the trophy was presented by Dr. A.K. Giri and Krishna Bhuyan. The trophy was handed over to Umesh Yadav, teacher, and West goalkeeper award was given to Ravi Bauri. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.